Bird, bird, bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird. Bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird. Bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird. Bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird. Bird is the word. Bird.
Oh, hi. Welcome to the first ever episode of Bird is the Word. I'm Mike Bertzel. On this episode of Bird and the Word, we're going to talk about soil. There are two main categories of soil: organic and inorganic. First, I'm going to tell you a little bit about organic soil. Organic soil is mainly made up of dead plants and animals, but it's also made up of manure. There are four main animals that contribute to the manure-making process: cows, sheep, horses, and bats. Bats are by far the most important animal. Their manure is called guano. Guano stays the richest and most fertile, mainly because it is hidden in the caves where the lichens can't get it. For this next part, I'll use my friend Mike Alvarez to demonstrate how water moves through sand particles. If you haven't already noticed, Mike is wearing that blue blanket to symbolize water. As you can see, water easily moves through the sand particle because they are the largest of all particles. Next, Mike is going to demonstrate how water moves through silt particles. As you can see, silt particles are a little bit smaller, which means it's more difficult for the water to pass through them. But however, they are still able to go. Okay, lastly, Mike is going to demonstrate how water moves through clay particles. As you can clearly see, clay particles are much smaller than silt and sand particles, thus making it nearly impossible for the water to get through. Okay, now that I'm done telling you all you need to know about soil, both organic and inorganic, and exactly how water moves through sand, silt, and clay particles, there's one very important thing I forgot to mention. Dirt is also acidic. Now, my good friend, Professor Alvarez, is going to tell you all you need to know about acids and bases and how they are in soil.
Oh, hi there. My name is Professor Alvarez. Now, from what I understand, you already talked to my good friend Dr. Berg about how soil is made and how water passes through different sizes of particles. Now, I'm here to explain to you the pH level, or acid in dirt. Now, anything below 7 on the pH scale is acidic. Farmers usually want to have about from 4 to 9 to keep their plants healthy and strong. Anything below 4, they'll die. Now, I don't know what to say.
Bird, bird. Bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird. Bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird.